boxed macaroni and cheese, the comfort food of childhood, the broke college years, the I don't feel like cooking nights. But today, we are doing it the loaded potato way. No fresh milk, no fresh butter, no fridge dependency. All powdered, straight from the pantry. Powdered milk, powdered butter, shelf stable, waiting patiently in the pantry like loyal little soldiers. And we're taste testing Kraft versus generic. Because if I'm going to be stockpiling something, it better taste good. I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I don't cook based on what's about to expire. I cook based on what's calmly waiting for me in my pantry. That's power. Round one, the setup. Both boxes got boiled noodles, same water, same time, no cheating. Here's where it got interesting. Instead of milk and butter from the fridge, I'm using powdered milk mixed with water and powdered butter mixed with water. Why? Because when the power flickers, when the storm hits, when life gets chaotic, my pantry doesn't panic. Fresh milk and butter goes bad, or my kids eat it. And my kids can't steal from my pantry butter and milk quite as easily, and it just waits for me. Round two, the texture. Kraft usually has a super smooth, creamy sauce. It's iconic. The generic, sometimes thinner, slightly more grainy, but with powdered milk and powdered butter, you'd be shocked. They both rehydrate beautifully. The sauce gets creamy, the color pops, the noodles coat well. Shelf stable does not mean sadness, but overall, the Kraft is leading on the texture. Round three, taste. Kraft has that classic, tangy cheddar zing. It's nostalgic, it's bright, it screams childhood. Generic, slightly milder, less punch, but honestly, still very good. And here's the big reveal. Using powdered milk and powdered butter does not ruin it. It tastes normal. It tastes like normal mac and cheese, not apocalypse mac and cheese. Not we're surviving mac, just delicious mac and cheese that we all love. And that's the whole point. When the pantry is stocked with meals like this, you're not scrambling. You're not staring at milk that expires tomorrow. You're not a slave to what's about to go bad in the refrigerator. You decide when dinner happens. That's the loaded potato mindset. Buy it cheap, store it smart, use shelf-stable ingredients, rotate through them in normal life. And when something crazy happens, dinner still tastes like comfort food. So which one wins? If you want bold flavor with that iconic taste, Kraft. If you want a cheaper per box, but still totally acceptable, the generic holds its own pretty well. For the real winner, powdered milk and powdered butter, because they turn a refrigerate after opening dinner into a pantry powerhouse. And that, my friends, is how you stop worrying about dinner tonight and 30 years from now. So follow me for more pantry hacks, shelf-stable upgrades, and lazy cooking systems, because your food should wait on you, not the other way around. loadedpotato.org